Good evening. My name is Yao Zhongxi, and today my teammate Daniel and I want to show you something that we have been working on. It's called Beebi. It's a baby care app that helps parents track things like sleep, feeding, diaper, and more. Let me be honest, even with a data background, I find it really hard to understand baby patterns just by looking at the reports and numbers. Everything looks random, and I still don't know if my baby is doing well or not. So that's why we built this. Beebi now connects to AI using Google's ADK and Gemini 2.5, and it gives parents answers directly without reading any reports. Let's start from the beginning. In the app, the parent can log events like sleep, feed, diaper, and pump. Now, after logging, we can see the data in the list view. And also, when you dive into, for example, the sleep type, here are some static reports. It will give you the car to show the average total sleep hour per day for the last 7 days, as well as a bar chart to show the total hours per day. We also try to build a visual event pattern grid to show the timing of each event. But as you can see, even with this, it still takes time to read and understand. That is the problem. There are too many details, but not enough insight. Now, let me show you our new feature, the AI feature. Instead of reading the reports, we can just ask the question, and then the chatbot will talk to the database and give us a short summary. This is much faster and easier, especially for busy parents. Now, I'm going to pass it to my teammate, Daniel, to introduce and explain quickly what's happening behind the scenes.
Thank you, Tim. So when we started thinking about how to use large language models to help analyze babies' behavior data and give parents useful, actionable advice, we quickly run into two big challenges. So first, context and length limits. So these models can't handle large amount of raw, high-dimensional time series data all at once. So second, the data privacy. If you directly feed in raw data from a live SQL database into the model, it actually can risk exposing sensitive personal information. So before we pass anything to the LLM, we pre-process the data. So this step helps us clean and structure the data, protect privacy, and also make the model run more efficiently. So now, baby data isn't just one thing. It covers different areas like sleeping, feeding, and the diaper activity. Each of these requires a different kind of analysis. So to handle this, we designed a 3-layer agent system. So first layer, manager agent. We usually call it root agent. So second layer, domain sub-agents. So we built 4 sub-agents, each focused on one area. So third layer, we call it sub-agent. So each domain sub-agent has several sub-agents underneath it. So this handles specific analysis task. So one cool thing we found during development. So if you declare your tool function parameters using Python optional type and register them with the agent system, so Google Gemini LLM can automatically extract those parameters from natural language. So this gives you fine-grained control over how each tool is used and makes the system both flexible and reliable. Okay, thanks for your time. So that's the ending of our presentation of our project. Thank you.